Welcome back, guys. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we're in the workshop. In this video, we'll be showcasing the ToughBuilt C700 folding sawhorse. You know the trusty sawhorse you've always relied on? Well, it just got a serious upgrade. For eons, the humble sawhorse has yearned for a makeover, and ToughBuilt took up the challenge. The C700 is the phoenix rising from the ashes of traditional designs, bringing versatility, portability, and a whole new level of usefulness to the job site hero. Excited to see what's up? Let's check out the scoop on the ToughBuilt C700. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively, subscribe to this channel for regular updates. Let's dig into the nitty-gritty of its build. Constructed entirely from steel and coated with a zinc-plated and powder-coated finish, this product makes a bold statement against the elements and corrosion. At 23 pounds each, these sawhorses might make the weight-conscious DIY enthusiast raise an eyebrow. But hold on, when you've got a load-bearing capacity of 1,300 pounds per sawhorse or a jaw-dropping 2,600 pounds when you pair them up, suddenly those extra pounds don't seem like such a big deal. The sacrifice in weight is a small price to pay for the unbeatable stability the ToughBuilt brings to the table. Now let's take a closer look at the setup game of the ToughBuilt C700. It's not your run-of-the-mill tool. It's a marvel of modern engineering designed for the fast-paced world of construction. The fast open mechanism is a bit like witnessing a magic trick, turning what used to be a tedious setup process into a seamless and almost enchanting transformation. A one-button folding-like design adds an element of simplicity that's almost poetic in its efficiency. But the real magic happens when you fold it down. The entire unit seamlessly collapses into itself, revealing a built-in carry handle for swift transportation. It's the kind of efficiency that speaks to the soul of a generation that values convenience without compromising performance. While this sawhorse boasts various impressive features, its standout quality unquestionably lies in its unwavering stability. The individually adjustable legs provide not just a variety of working heights, but also a solution to the age-old problem of uneven terrain. No more wobbles, no more tilts, just a smooth, stable surface to craft your masterpieces. The large pop-out feet are the unsung guardians of your work area. With a generous 25-inch wide separation, they ensure that your project stays grounded literally. The flat bottoms of the C700 aren't just a design choice. They're a strategic move preventing the sawhorse from sinking to the soft soil. It is stability redefined, tailored to meet the challenges of any construction environment. Now, the ToughBuilt C700 isn't satisfied with being a one-trick pony. It packs a punch when it comes to versatility. The adjustable support arms cater to both 2x4s and 4x4s, adding a layer of adaptability that's often overlooked. This versatility isn't just a feature, it's a game changer, giving you the freedom to tailor your work surface to the demands of the project. But it doesn't stop there. The grippy sandpaper surface and pre-drilled holes turn this sawhorse into a multifunctional work of art. It's a platform that not only supports your materials, but also ensures they stay in place even under the most demanding conditions. And speaking of design, the C700 doesn't just excel in function, it's a visual delight for the discerning eye. The cutting brackets, a thoughtful touch, fold neatly when not in use, maintaining a minimalist aesthetic that's pleasing to the design-conscious user. Need to cut PVC pipe or EMT? Unfold them and voila! Additional support that doesn't compromise the overall sleek design. The material support pegs on the legs add another layer of functionality. They're not just there for show, they serve a purpose, whether it's for layout precision or a makeshift staging area for plywood. It's this attention to detail that elevates the ToughBuilt C700 from a mere tool to a well-thought-out companion in your construction endeavors. Now, safety-wise, it's got your back. It's 100% steel, none of that flimsy stuff. Then they have individually adjustable legs, a game changer. No more wobbles, no more awkward tilts, just a smooth, stable surface for your masterpieces. Plus, we already mentioned its steady feet that conquers any surface and doesn't even sink into soft ground. But the real star when it comes to safety are its rolled edges. It's like the superhero cape of sawhorses. Not only are they sleek and cool-looking, but they're also the guardians of safety. No sharp corners to ruin your day. Just smooth, rounded edges. No accidental bumps or scrapes here. It's a safety dance, and the C700 leads it flawlessly. Work without worry, create without concern. That's the magic of rolled edges. Now let's skip the formalities and dive straight into the point. This isn't your average Sawhorse. It's the reliable companion for all your DIY escapades. The ToughBuilt C700 is the ultimate work table that refuses to be confined to your garage, standing ready as your go-to partner for any spontaneous project adventures. Whether you're a DIY aficionado or a seasoned pro, this Sawhorse is a fantastic addition to your toolkit. Unfold it and there you have it, your portable workshop at your fingertips. It's not just about convenience, it effortlessly hops into your trunk, poised for action wherever your projects take you. With robust support and seamless adjustments, every project transforms into a walk in the park. Trust us, you'll be questioning how you managed without it. And there you have it, folks. Everything you need to know about the ToughBuilt C700 folding Sawhorse. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that it can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We look forward to seeing you at trustedshoppingguide.com again soon.